just cooked some chicken with salt and peppers. These are the pork, the quinoa, all the veggies for the salad. Now that it's actually gonna be first day of surgery tomorrow, this is getting very real. I already went through all the training and tomorrow's gonna be my first day actually in the OR. Okay, gotta go. I feel like I'm gonna get a heat stroke. Why do I look kind of ugly? I thought this looked good on me, but I'm going kayaking with my friends today. We decided to meet at one of my friends' house and carpool from there. So I just got here. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Water? Okay, I have water too if we want to make more. Do you think that would be enough alcohol?
I was trying to think that. I was trying to fit as much as I could in there.
We made it! We survived!
It's hot. 77. 71 outside. Oh my god, there is an accident. It's been 5 minutes since I've been on the road and it looks like the traffic. Oh my god. Oh, that person is just... Are they trying to U-turn? In a one-way road? Oh, that person is literally U-turning on a one-way road. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You will be guided all the way through. A rate of 1 breath every 6 seconds. Just keep ventilating and follow the prompts. Start ventilating when you are ready. You will be guided all the way through. Please give 12 breaths to the mannequin at a rate of 1 breath every 6 seconds. Just a little more air. Very good.
5, 6,
That's right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Very good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Stop now.
Oh well, at least I passed.
Great.
Maybe? I'm headed to get my drug test done for school. It's just a pee test. I just have to go and pee in a cup there. I'm a 21-year-old who's been suffering from hemorrhoids for the last 8 months, and no matter what I do, it doesn't go away. I have stopped eating outside. I usually try to limit carbs. I eat a lot more fiber, drink a whole lot of water. I take laxatives almost every single day. I've gone to the doctors. It's been rough. I thought it started last year, and I just thought it was because of stress, because nursing school, and it was around exam time, and I was just stressed, and I was like, is this hemorrhoids or is it not? And then I literally, for the next 4 months, I did not acknowledge the fact that it wasn't hemorrhoids. I'm moving on to more medicine. Disgusting, by the way. But you know what's more disgusting than this? Crying in the bathroom because it feels like you're giving birth. I don't know why I'm the one who's suffering from this. Oh, I have done nothing that could contribute to me having severe constipation and hemorrhoids.